Hi, I'm Chris Kelly. Over the past year, many people I respect have asked me to run for California Attorney General in 2010. Today, after much consideration, I'm announcing that I've launched a committee to further explore the race. This committee will help me determine how I can best continue my contributions to a safer, more secure, and more transparent California. California's justice system, and our political system as a whole, needs a transformation that will enhance the lives of all Californians. California has been a victim to inefficient government and wasteful spending. It's time for that to change. As the next Attorney General of California, I would utilize my experience to protect California's consumers, maintain an open and accountable government, and guarantee an effective legal system. My first job out of law school was as a law clerk in San Diego, helping a federal judge handle criminal and civil cases in the busiest judicial district in the nation. Before I got to law school, I gained extensive policymaking experience advancing some of President Bill Clinton's most ambitious public safety and service programs. I began my work in public service as a staffer in Bill Clinton's 1992 campaign and in the early years of his administration. I worked with my colleagues to advance his plan to put more than 100,000 new cops on the street and helped establish the National Service Program AmeriCorps. My time with the Clinton administration left me with an abiding respect for public service and a desire to contribute further myself. For the past 4 years, as the Chief Privacy Officer of Facebook, the company that has only begun to transform our information-based economy, I've dealt firsthand with the complex legal challenges and privacy issues that affect California businesses and consumers. We need a strong consumer protection advocate as California's Chief Law Enforcement Officer, defending people against unfair practices and scams. As California faces a budget deficit of more than $41 billion, rising home foreclosure rate, and an uncertain economic future, it is imperative that we prevent consumer fraud and protect California residents from scam artists offering once-in-a-lifetime opportunities for home ownership, phony foreclosure avoidance scams, and any financial fraud. At Facebook, I lead an outstanding team that's building a safer and more trusted online experience for more than 200 million people. For the past 4 years, I've worked closely with attorneys general from across the nation to help make the internet safer for consumers of all ages, particularly young people. I understand the technological challenges parents face in protecting their children from potential online predators and preserving online privacy because I've been building systems to help protect you and your children. Improving internet safety for young people and providing people of all ages with a safer online experience would be a critical goal for me as your Attorney General. As Attorney General, another of my key priorities would be working strategically with California's law enforcement agencies to make sure they're properly equipped and trained and supported. Recent incidents involving brutal gun violence resulting in the death of local police officers is unacceptable. We need to protect our law enforcement officials that are on the streets every day, keeping us out of harm's way, and ensure that they have the most powerful technological tools to deter crimes and bring criminals to justice. I will also work closely with federal, state, and local law enforcement officials to ensure they have the resources they need and can better deploy innovative technology to prevent further trafficking of humans, drugs, and guns back and forth the border between California and Mexico. I'm especially thankful as I begin this quest for the support of my wife, Jennifer, whose dedication to public service as a former prosecutor is a further inspiration for me, and for the amazing love of my son, Aiden, who has brought so much joy to us in his few short months in this world. I'm very grateful for the encouragement I've had so far from people across the state of California. I look forward to hearing more from them and from you as I travel around the state. Thank you very much.